Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Dirt Path Exploration. Today we traveled to Woodbury, Minnesota to take a hike at the Prairie Ridge Trail. The trail is about 1.5 miles and took us around a half an hour to complete. There's a few sunny areas, specifically the prairie section in the middle. The real contention with this trail is bugs. The grass is about ankle high, so you want to ensure you check yourself for ticks after the hike. And also, make sure you have bug spray, as once the bugs find you, they are relentless. The parking lot is quite small, with only enough room for maybe 5 or 6 cars. The trail has 2 entry points, one on the left and one on the right. We took the right trail to start. Towering oaks preside over the first segment of the trail, which is an oak savanna that has high underbrush, and the oaks above, which looked absolutely gorgeous. The undergrowth, not to be outdone, bursts with flowers and different fascinating plants. The trail then moves into an open prairie, but it skirts the edge of it and gets up to a ridge, allowing you to look out over the prairie. On this windy day, you could get mesmerized by watching the wind blow through all the prairie grass. There's a nice wooden bench at the high point of the ridge, although when we hiked it, there was long grass between the path and the bench. It did still provide a nice viewing point to watch the waves of grass flow. The back section of the trail takes you through a thickly wooded area, which had standing water and some muddy trails that were mostly hard when we took it, but showed evidence of dogs and deer that had passed through it after the rain. The trail here, about halfway through the back section, I spotted a peculiar, red corn cluster looking plant that I just had to have a look at. The plant also produces peculiar flowers and is called a jack-in-the-pulpit. It's a poisonous plant, so don't touch it, but it is very pretty to look at. My favorite part of the trail is the oak savanna. The combination of all the beautiful flowers and prairie features, coupled with the absolutely picturesque oaks towering over it all, really made this the highlight of the trail for me. I love trees, and flowers always enhance basically any scene they're in. So to have these spectacular specimens of oaks combined with the plethora of flowers underneath it just makes this scene pretty hard to beat. The trail overall definitely surpassed my expectations. As I saw the distribution and construction sites all around it, I was not expecting to have such beauty and diverse plant life within it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe buttons. Also, don't forget to let us know your favorite trails in your local area.